I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. This sequence, you can do it while you are seated. Let's sit nice and tall, crown each into the sky. Relax your shoulders. Relax your jaws. Relax your face. Lengthen your spine. Now, let breathe through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Start cultivating Ujjayi pranayama, Ujjayi breath. Now, inhale. As you exhale, tilt your neck, tilt your head to your right. And try to feel a stretch on the side of your neck. And back to center. Let's do the other side. Inhale, exhale to the left. And if you find some tight spot, try to breathe into the spot. And back to center. Let's repeat a few times. Inhale, exhale, tilt. Feel the stretch on the side of your neck. And back to center, other side. There is no force, just the feeling of the stretch. Inhale, exhale, really tiny motion. Nothing big. Center and other side. Really subtle, tiny motion. And no force there. Back to center. Okay. Inhale. Now you're gonna tuck your chin without changing the height of your head. You're gonna pull your head backward. So I'm gonna show you from that side. So inhale. Tuck your chin without changing the height of your head. Just tiny bit draw your chin toward the back, toward your throat. And relax. Let's repeat a few more times. Inhale, exhale. As you may notice, it's very tiny motion. Very subtle motion. Nothing big. Relax. Inhale, exhale, draw your chin. And without changing, draw your head backward. There is no force here. Just a feeling of a stretch on your neck. Just creating space on the back of your neck, base of your skull. And relax. Okay, so now we are going to do half circle. From center, exhale to the side. And with control, slow movement, tuck your chin, center, and back to neutral, center. And this is the opposite side. Inhale, exhale, tilt. And chin to your chest, center. Let's repeat a few more times, both sides. Tilt. Feel the stretch on the side of your neck. And slowly forward. Now I'm feeling stretch on the back of my neck. Center. And opposite side. Center. I'm gonna do one more time each. Keep breathing. Very tiny motion here. Not full circle, just a half circle. Okay, so now let's circle your shoulders while relaxing your chin, relaxing your jaw. Big shoulder circulation. And let's do reverse circle. And now, if you notice, by relaxing your shoulders, you may feel relax on your neck. Okay, inhale. And exhale, crown reaching to the sky. Try to feel the length on your spine and neck. Let the spine grow taller and taller and taller. Crown reaching to the sky. Shoulder relax. Jaw drop. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!